Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another video of Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we'll be diving into a special topic, into a great topic that you have been expecting. And with this, it is also going to fast track our Arabic learning. It is going to boost our Arabic learning as for the beginners. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and make comments, because this is going to motivate me to be able to produce a lot of videos pertaining to Arabic speaking. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our efforts. Amen. Now, this is what we have for today. It is already written for you on the board. So talking about the weather in Arabic. That is when we are talking about the weather, that's the weather. So talking about the weather in Arabic. What is the Arabic of weather? The Arabic of weather is what you say jawu. That's the Arabic of weather. Or you say atoksu. That's a toksu. Or you say asama'u. Or you say asama'u. So all these words, they have what? They have the same meaning, which is what? Which is weather. Which is weather. We have jawu, toksu, then we have sama'u, which is what? Sama'u, toksu, jawu. So the synonyms of jawu is toksu. The synonyms of toksu is what? Asama'u. Now it means weather. Now we have kayfa taqsul yawm. Kayfa taqsul yawm. That is kayfa taqsul yawm. It means how is the weather today? Kayfa taqsul yawm. How is the weather today? We are asking about the weather, talking about the weather in Arabic. That is kayfa taqsul yawm. How is the weather today? Or you say kayfa jawul yawm, or how is the weather today? They have the same meaning. Jawu and toksu, they have the same meaning. With asama, with this asama, they have the same meaning. Or you can say kayfa sama'ul yawm, that is how is the weather today. Or you say kayfa taksul yawm, how is the weather today? That's how is the weather today. How is the weather today? Now, so with this, they have what? They have the same meaning. That is kayfa taqsul yawm, kayfa jawul yawm. They have the same meaning. That is how is the weather today? How is the weather today? Now, al-jawu mushmisu. Al-jawu mushmisu. That is, it means the weather is sunny. That is, it means the weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. Jawu, al-jawu mushmisu. The weather is sunny. The weather is what? The weather is sunny. You understand? The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. Al-jawu mushmisu. That is, the weather is sunny. Now we have jawu haru. Al-jawu haru. That is, al-jawu haru. That is, the weather is hot. Al-har, this har means what? Hot. Har, hot. That's the Arabic of hot. The Arabic of hot is what? Haru. So you say al-jawu haru. That is, the weather is hot. The weather is hot. The weather is what? The weather is hot. Haru, that's hot. Then, now we have al-jawu dafi'u. Al-jawu dafi'u. That is, the weather is warm. It means the weather is warm. That's the Arabic of warm. The Arabic of warm is what? Dafi'u. Dafi'u. That's the Arabic of what? That's the Arabic of warm. Dafiu. Al-jawu dafiu, that is the weather is warm. Then we have, or you say as-sama'u dafiu, the weather is warm, or you say at-taqsu dafiu, the weather is warm. Al-jawu with taqsu and then with sama, they have what? They have the same meaning. They have the same meaning. So we have al-jawu baridu, that is al-jawu baridu. That is, the weather is what? The weather is cold. The weather is cold. That is al-jawu baridu. The weather is cold. Al-jawu baridu. The weather is cold. Al-jawu baridu. The weather is cold. Now we have al-jawu mu'tadilu. Al-jawu mu'tadilu. It means the weather is what? The weather is fair. The weather is fair. Al-jawu mu'tadilu. The weather is fair. We say the weather, it means alif, lam, then we have jim. This alif and lam, it means what? The when you say al-jawu, that is what? It means the weather. It means the weather. It means the weather. But when you say jawu, it means what? It means weather. Now we have as-sama'u mali'atu bis-suhubi. As-sama'u mali'atu bis-suhubi. As-sama'u mali'atu bis-suhubi. It means that the weather is snow. That is, the weather is snow. The weather is snow. The weather is what? Snow. Then we have as-sama'u tumtiru. As-sama'u tumtiru. It means the weather is rain. The weather is rain. Then we have as-sama'u jamil. It means the weather is beautiful. As-sama'u jamil. It means what? The weather is beautiful. Or you say al-jawu jamil. The weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful. Or you say at-taqsu. Use the word taqsu here. At-taqsu jamil. The weather is beautiful. So they have the same what? They have the same meaning. So let's look into another thing, which is ariyahu shadidatu. That's ariyahu shadidatu. We have ariyahu. Ariyahu. Shadidatu. Ariyahu shadidatu. Ariyahu shadidatu. Ariyahu shadidatu. That it means ariyahu shadidatu. Ariyahu shadidatu. It means what? The wind is what? The wind is strong. It means the wind is strong. The wind is strong. Ariyahu shadidatu. It means what? The wind is strong. So this is what we have for today. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. So see me in my next video. Thanks.